What's going on, you guys? Camsick TV here. Final series, new series of repairing the Chevy. It has an issue where it doesn't want to get out of second gear. So first thing is, you know, these 4L60s, they have fuse problems. So I hope it's just something simple like a fuse. But I'm checking the outside fuses. They're all passed. Now I'm gonna check this fuse box in here. I just hope I find a broken fuse. I really don't want to mess with a solenoid or a plunger or a transmission. But yeah, I'm gonna check the basics. I'm gonna check the fluid level and everything. I'm gonna test the band, second and overdrive. So I'm just gonna see, but I just hope it's something stupid, you know. Yeah, so let me show you guys what I'm doing. So obviously there's no fuse here. It's only this main fuse. All these circuit breakers are good. All these relays are good. All these fuses test properly. I use my handy dandy probe right here. All these fuses are good. So the next step, I'm going to check the fuse inside the door panel right here, and then I'm going to check the fluid level inside the transmission. Hopefully it's something stupid that's causing this issue. But yeah, so this is good. I'm going to cover this back up. All right, so she's cold. I just started it up. I'm about to connect my scan tool to it. But what's really weird is, like, check this out. Like, I don't think this is normal. I feel like something is slipping, either the axle, drive shaft, or something on the rear end. But not normal. Look, reverse. That's like really harsh. Drive. I don't know. See? It's like really tough. Alright, let me connect the scan tool and see what we can find. Alright, scan tool is connected. Let's go to OBD. So I got a check engine light that you guys can see. Got a service airbag light, mileage, trip, engine hours. Yeah, but I got a check engine light. So I got 5 codes, 3 monitors not available, monitors okay too. So let's go to the codes, see what we got. Read codes, stored codes, cylinder, multiple cylinder, misfire, evap. Okay, I know which one this is. It's probably a check valve that's down there. Yeah. Random, misfire, evap. Okay, so that's all the emission codes. I don't see anything with transmission. So why is it not coming out of second gear? Random misfire. Okay, so I know what this is already. This is probably that just there's a check valve that's under there by the valve, the canister. I have a feeling that's the issue. So what I'm going to do is go to pending codes, evap, okay, and it could be also with the gas cap, because I checked the gas cap is dry rotted, so I think that's what that one is. But this one, the control unit, that's the actual check valve. I have a feeling those are bad. They go bad pretty often on these things. System. Now there's a way to see history codes. I want to see history. Pending stored codes. No, it won't show me. Okay, let me just delete. Erase codes. All right, I know what the misfire is, so I don't see anything for the transmission, so that's kind of weird. So I'm gonna have to go a little bit further. I'm gonna check the fuse that's in here. There's a fuse box in here. I'm gonna check that. All the fuses in there. I just hope it's one of those that's bad that's causing this issue. But yeah. Oh man. First there was engine oil, very low. Now it's transmission oil. I just cleaned it. Nothing on the stick. I think I just resolved our issue. But why is it low? Does it have a leak? I don't know if it has a leak. What do you guys see down there? Anything? Yeah, that looks like it's a leak. I'm gonna go get some transmission fluid. There's nothing on the stick. It's been idling at temp. I hope I didn't burn up the transmission, man. Wow. All right, I'm gonna make my way to the parts store so I can go and get some transmission fluid. But before I do that, I want to check to see if all the fuses are good, because I think I found one. Yep, I think I found one, or that could be a spare. I think these are spares. Okay. Dude. Get away from here, dude. Damn fly. All right, all my fuses are good. I just verified the other fuse box and I verified this fuse box. What the hell is that? Damn, I'm a reflective cone, so it attracts all the bugs. So yeah, that fuse is good, the other fuse is good. Bro, it's low on fluid. There's nothing inside. Cross fingers that I put some fluid and it doesn't leak on the floor. Because I seen a bell housing, what do you call it? The bell housing case in there, like a piece. I just hope it's not from this. I really don't want to put a transmission in this thing. I don't mind doing it, but I really don't. I just want to turn key and go get this thing street legal. Bro, wish me luck. All right, so we're back at the truck. I got some the recommended fluid for it. I put 2 already. And I'm checking underneath. I do not see any signs of leakage. You guys are asking, what is this? It's the way I bless the car, so it's gonna be clean. It's just the way I bless it. Then, yeah, let that run down. Check the fluid again. It's at idle. And then we'll see underneath, make sure it's not leaking. And cross fingers, there's no leaks, and this fixes the issue for the transfer. All right, update. Added fluid into it. It's still doing it. I went underneath. I didn't see any leaks whatsoever. I did notice that when you go in reverse a little bit too quickly, it sounds like a grinding noise coming from the rear end. When you go forward slightly a little quickly, the same exact thing happens. I have a feeling, since this vehicle was low on fuel when I got it, it was out of gas when I got it, because that's why I said it was a no start. Engine oil was very low, transmission oil was very low, and the just general like assumption I'm gonna make, I have a feeling these people, whoever had this truck before me, purposely drained all the fluid from everything, and they sent it to the auction so they can get rid of it. The chassis is strong, it's just the body is a little messed up, and the hitch, the door handle right here is a little messed up. But what's going on, guys? Camsick TV here today with a new video with the cat eye Chevy Silverado 1500 Crew Max. Today's video we're going to be programming a key fob. The truck never came with one, so let me just reprogram one. There's a brand new key fob. Let's see if it works. Hopefully it does. It's the same frequency, so let's go. Basically what you got to do is put the key in the ignition, hold down the unlock button for about 4 seconds, and then while you're holding it down, you turn the key on very quickly. 1, off, on, 1, 2, back to off. Then you let go, and then you hit both of these buttons at the same time. So no further ado, let's go. Key in the ignition, hold the power button, the unlock button. So basically what I said, so like, okay, program mode. It could take a little bit. Boom. Perfect. You turn the key on and so now I got working keys. Sorry that was a little bit of a rookie video. I'm a Ford guy, so you know, bear with me, I'm trying. But it's a lot easier than a Ford, I'll tell you that right now. Thank you guys for watching, and deuces. I got working locks now. Peace.